Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Vivo iQOO 15 and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro, two powerhouses that push the limits of mobile tech. Vivo brings an insane 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display with peak brightness hitting 6,000 nits, while Asus counters with a blistering 185Hz refresh rate and a mini LED matrix on the back. But which one rules in performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite variants? How do their cameras stack up with periscope zooms and gimbal stabilization? Battery life, gaming features, and price. Who offers the best bang for your buck? And here's the kicker. Is the Vivo's massive 7,000 mAh battery enough to dethrone the Asus's gamer-centric arsenal? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with the display, the Vivo iQOO 15 boasts a slightly larger 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a stunning 1440 by 3168 resolution, delivering an ultra-sharp 508 ppi density and a peak brightness that smashes 6,000 nits. This makes it perfect for daylight visibility and HDR content. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro offers a smaller 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen but pushes the refresh rate higher at 185 Hz, ideal for ultra-smooth gaming. Vivo's display also includes TÜV-certified eye protection and Dolby Vision support, emphasizing comfort and vivid visuals. The Vivo's sheer brightness and resolution take the crown here for immersive viewing. Under the hood, the Vivo iQOO 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with a top CPU clock of 4.6 GHz and the latest Adreno 840 GPU, offering a slight edge in raw performance and graphics rendering compared to Asus's Snapdragon 8 with a 4.32 GHz CPU and Adreno 830 GPU. This means Vivo's device can handle more intense tasks and gaming with better efficiency and speed, making it the powerhouse for those who demand the absolute best. When it comes to special features, Vivo iQOO 15 impresses with its Q3 gaming chip, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, an advanced 14,000mm square vapor chamber cooling system, plus 40-watt wireless charging and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro counters with AI-powered gaming enhancements like XSense 3.0, AI Grabber 2.0 for in-game text recognition, and a 360-degree GameCool 9 cooling system. Vivo's superior cooling tech combined with wireless charging and dual-axis motor feedback makes it a versatile beast for gamers and daily users alike. In photography, both pack a punch with 50-megapixel main shooters, but Vivo iQOO 15 stands out with a periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and OIS, perfect for detailed long-range shots. Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro features gimbal OIS on its wide lens and a 32-megapixel with 3x zoom, emphasizing stabilization and video clarity. Vivo also records 8K video at 30 FPS with gyro EIS, ensuring crisp footage. The periscope zoom on Vivo gives it the edge for versatile photography. Looking deeper, Vivo's periscope telephoto lens with nice imaging algorithm and a unique RGB light camera module adds flair and precision, while Asus offers a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilization 4.0 for ultra-smooth video, AI panning, and AI night vision. Vivo's focus on advanced zoom and color sensing technology makes it the better choice for photography enthusiasts craving detail and vibrant shots. Battery life is a clear win for Vivo iQOO 15 with a massive 7,000 mAh SiC Li-ion battery dwarfing Asus's 5,800 mAh pack. This means longer gaming sessions and less frequent charging, a crucial factor for power users and gamers on the go. On build and design, Vivo offers IP68, IP69 certification with dust-tight and water resistance, plus a color-changing rear panel that adds style flair. Asus counters with IP8 rating, a programmable mini LED matrix on the back, and pressure-sensitive gaming triggers that elevate gameplay. For gamers, Asus's tactile triggers are a standout, but Vivo's durability and unique aesthetics appeal broadly. Memory options show Vivo iQOO 15 offering a wider range from 12 GB to 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage, compared to Asus's top-tier 16 to 24 GB RAM with 512 GB to 1 TB storage. Asus targets hardcore multitaskers and gamers needing extreme memory, but Vivo's configurations still cover most users' needs with high versatility. Finally, the price difference is stark. Vivo iQOO 15 ranges between $600 to $850, delivering flagship specs at a mid-range price, while Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro commands a premium $1,300 price tag, reflecting its gaming-centric features and elite build. So the real question remains, are you paying for raw power and value with Vivo or the specialized gaming experience and extras with Asus?